Afternoon guys, James at Leighton Vans. You may have all seen recently we converted a lovely T6.1 Kombi and we added the camo wrap on it, which was just this van here. Well, we thought, well, that was just, you know, that was amazing. It looks great. So we decided to do another one, which is this van just here. Now this van was a Ravenna Blue, brand new pre-registered Kombi, and we decided to put a blue matte wrap on there, which looks absolutely awesome, guys. So, I mean, they both look awesome, but this vehicle is very high spec. It's got the Bilsteins on there, it's got the LV3 alloy wheels, it's got power sliding doors, electric tailgates. It's just going onto our website. It's not going to be around long. So for more details, get in contact at www.leightonvans.co.uk or pick up the phone 0114 283 8484, option 1 for sales. So it's ready to go, it's in stock, it's brand new, it's pre-registered, it's got everything on it, just like that van just there. But yeah, not going to be around long, and keep a lookout for further vans that we're going to do like this. Thank you.